Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. Went out to Nailsy today. I spotted this, looked at it and actually left it because it was £4.50, which is much more than I like to pay. Obviously it's a yacht or sailing boat made by Brookite, who we normally see making kites. Complete and ready to sail, suitable for ages 4 years and up. Tough high impact plastic hull, wooden mast and spinnaker nylon sail, enclosed weighted keel, self-righting. As I say, I left it first of all because I didn't want to pay £4.50. But I went round all the other charity shops in Nailsy and there's quite a few there. Let's think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 7 or 8. And there was nothing else I wanted to buy. So I went back and spent my money on this. I don't know if it's ever been out the packaging. Cool. Well, it's a tight fit. I did like the idea that it actually gives you an idea of how to set sails. Although intended as toys, many consider them models of high performance yachts. With 3 sizes to choose from, Tackers will provide hours of honest sailing fun and excitement both indoors and outdoors. Indoors. For children and grown-ups of all ages. The yachts love to sail freely but can have a light line tied to the base of the mast for easy retrieval. So here we are. It does look very clean, doesn't it? I suspect it has never been on the water. So these are our 2 trimming bits. In other words, we can loosen the sail to the required amount. I did wonder whether it would be possible to separate the top from the bottom and maybe even put a radio control in there and a rudder on the back. Don't know. But I seem to have been going to the local parks that have got lakes in them. So I did think we might have a chance to try it. I'm just looking here and I can see there's glue all the way along the edge here, so I don't think we're going to get it apart. But we might be able to try sailing it. If we take it to the park, take along my rescue and recovery boat, so we've got a chance of getting it back again if it goes out to the middle of the lake. Yeah, £4.50. As you know, if you watch my videos, much more than I like to spend, but I thought it might be worth it. It's got a reasonable weight to it, so we will see. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.